Mundu alo, seli seli alo, minglaba pia, chicken bali padaka patamada, setamanya lasingani, pianheju like barapia. So last week we already talked about our classroom, or we already talked about classroom language already. This week, let's talk about how different between this and that. So today the focus topic is this and that. This and that. Firstly, and I would like to explain you how different this and that. So this and that are pronoun which is used for indicating something. So this and that ka pronoun ဖြစ်တယ် သူကပစ္စည်းအရာဝတ္ထုတစ်ခုခုကိုညွှန်ပြတဲ့နေရာမှာပြောလို့အသုံးပြုပါတယ်ဗျာ So and I will explain you this first. So this is used to point out something which is near you. So this ကိုပြီးတော့ကဘယ်နေရာမှာအသုံးပြုလဲဆိုတော့ပစ္စည်းတစ်ခုခုကိုယ့်ရဲ့အနီးနားမှာရှိတဲ့ပစ္စည်းတစ်ခုခုကို point out လုပ်ချင်တဲ့နေရာမှာအသုံးပြုပါတယ်ဗျာ So that is used to point out something which is farther from you. So that ကိုတော့ပြီးတော့ကကိုနဲ့နော်ပိုဝေးတဲ့နေရာမှာရှိတဲ့ပစ္စည်းတစ်ခုကို point out လုပ်ဖို့အသုံးပြုတယ်မြင်တော့မြင်ရတယ်ဒါပေမဲ့ပို့ပြီးတော့ဝေးတယ် point out လုပ်လို့ရတဲ့အရာဝတ္ထုမျိုးကိုအသုံးပြုပါတယ်ဗျာ So look at the first picture. So teddy bear, it is very close to you or very near you, and we can say this. What is this? What is this? Iအရာကဘာလဲ What is this? What is this? So we can say it is a teddy bear or this is a teddy bear. We can say both. So look at next one. This is teddy bear and which is farther from you. So what is that? What is that? What is that? ထိုအရာကဘာလဲ What is that? What is that? ထိုအရာကဘာလဲအဲ့တော့ပုံနှစ်ပုံကိုကြည့်လိုက်လို့ရှိရင်အရန်ရှင်းပါတယ်ဗျာ So this ကကြတော့ကိုယ့်ရဲ့အနီးနားမှာရှိတဲ့ပစ္စည်းတစ်ခုကိုကိုက point out လုပ်ချင်တဲ့နေရာမှာအသုံးပြုတယ် That ကကြတော့ကိုနဲ့နည်းနည်းလေးဝေးတဲ့နေရာမှာရှိတဲ့ပစ္စည်းတစ်ခုကို point out လုပ်ချင်တဲ့နေရာမှာအသုံးပြုပါတယ်ဗျာ ဆိုတော့ဖျားတပည့်တော်ကဘုံဘုံတို့ရဲ့ easy going workbook page number ဘယ်လောက်လဲဆိုတော့ page number 22ကိုတပည့်တော်ဒီမှာ screen လေး share ပေးပါမယ်ဆိုတော့မုံကိုလိုက်ပြီးတော့ကြည့်ပေးပါဆိုတော့ is this is that is this is that ဒီနေရာမှာပြောတော့ question လဲပါမယ် answer လဲပါမယ်မေးခွန်းပါမယ်အဖြေပါမယ်အဲ့တော့ number 1ကနေပြီးတော့ဖတ်ပြပါမယ် Is this a magazine? Is this a magazine? ဤရာက magazine လားတဲ့ဒီမှာသူကင်ထားတဲ့စာအုပ်စာ magazine သတင်းစာကိုပြောတယ်မှာ No it isn't No it isn't ဒါမဟုတ်ဘူး It's a newspaper ဖြစ်တယ်ဆိုသူကဒီမှာပြောထားတယ်ဒီပုံမှာကြည့်အောင် number 2 Is that a magazine? Is that a magazine? Yes, it is. So number 2မှာကြတော့ဒီလိုပို့ပြီးတော့ရှင်းနေပါတယ်ဗျာဘာဖြစ်လို့လဲဆိုတော့ဒီပုံထဲမှာပါတဲ့လူက the magazine နဲ့နည်းနည်းလေးပို့ပြီးတော့ဝေးတယ်ဒါကြောင့်မို့သူက point out လုပ်တဲ့နေရာမှာအသုံးပြုတယ် Is that a magazine? Yes, it is. So next one. Number 3. Is that a ball? Is that a ball? So you see, it is not a ball and it is a bicycle. So you can answer, no, it isn't. So upon my body time, we will No, it isn't. It's a bicycle. Bicycle. No, it isn't. It's a bicycle. No, it isn't. It's a bicycle. So number 4. The video ga kola do phi ma pi do the video shin me pya me phomonu wa phomonu ye sa workbook the ha ko like phi yo laut tha pi ya ba ma phya. Is this a ball? Is this a ball? Yes, it is. How does it feel? Yes, it is. So next one. So number 5. So I need to erase that one. Okay, sorry. Okay, number 5. Number 5, Majaro. So number 5. Is this a cat? Is this a cat? So, yes, it is. Yes, it is. So, number 6. Is that a table? Is that a table? So, what is this? This is not a table, is right? This is a chair. So, no, it isn't. No, it isn't. It is a chair. No, it isn't. It is a chair. So, next number. So, number 7. Look at this. 7. Is that a ball? Is that a ball? Sorry. Is that a book? Is that a book? So, this is a book here on their decks, is right? So this one is a book. So yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So this one, number 8. Is this a coat? Is this a coat? No, it isn't. It is an umbrella. Umbrella lesson so umbrella the bureau vowel n a umbrella an umbrella. So is this a coat? Sorry. No, it isn't. It is an umbrella. It is an umbrella. So the video the page go Pomonu Pomonu easy going workbook page number 22 So the video easy going south is this a book? Is this a book? How do I say? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So nearly my village yes in video. Is that a book? Is that a book? So how do I say? Yes, it is. How do we say? No, it isn't. So that's why in video this ne that ne blue don't be so page number 22 လေးကိုလောက်ထားပေးပါတပည့်တော်တို့နောက်ထပ် lesson တစ်ခုမှာပြန်ပြီးတော့တွေ့ကြပါမယ်ဖေ။ကျေးဇူးအများကြီးတင်ပါတယ်ဖေ။